How to set dates and deadlines for tasks in Monday.com. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can set dates, due dates and deadlines for tasks using Monday.com. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Monday.com. Once when you do log in, you can see you'll be redirected to this home page where there are some boards. Furthermore, you can see more boards here on the left hand side. So what you need to do is you need to open up a board and then these are the tasks and you want a due date. So let's just delete this column and create a due date for them. We can also do that through timelines. Like what's the timeline for this project or task? You can say that. And what's the timeline for this? And this. And this. So here you go. It's going to tell us how many days are left for this task to be over. That is the due date. Moving on. Add to board. And here we can add the due dates. I'm going to tell you how to make it more like a deadline. Let me just put these dates right here. Okay, so we have set up time. So this is going to act as the due date. And we can change this date to due date for more efficiency and effectiveness. Furthermore, what we can do is we can go to settings and then we can add a description as well to this column right here. So that your team member can see it easily from this description. So it's going to have a description right here and they'll be able to see it. We can edit the description as we want, but to make it more effective, what we can do is we can set as a deadline. So here you go. The deadlines are added and the tasks that are done will have a tick mark here and this will show when is the deadline. We can do another thing. We can set due date reminders as well. Now this comes with automation. Okay, when due date arrives, status is done. Notify. Here you go. We can create a code. Wait a second. There you go. We can create an automation just like that and we are good to go. So that's how we do it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.